Hana's love for nature. Today is a bright day. Birds chirp, leaves rustle, the sun shines. Hana goes to Yishun Park. This is the playground Hana loves to climb. Hana sees something long and hairy.
It's a creeping, crawling caterpillar.
Hana picks it up and says,
Ooh, I will take this caterpillar home.
As she walks, Hana drops her container of pineapple tarts. She bends down to pick it up. Hana sees something round and brown.
It's a slippery, slimy snail.
Hana picks it up and says,
Ooh, I will take the snail home.
Hana feels hungry. She walks to the hut. Hana eats some tarts. She sees something slim and winged.
It's a green and gangly grasshopper.
Hana picks it up and says,
Ooh, I will take this grasshopper home.
Hana wants to wash her hands. She walks to the washroom. Outside, she sees something shiny and pretty. She walks closer.
It's a large, lovely leaf.
Hana picks it up and says,
Ooh, I will take this leaf home.
Suddenly, someone shouts.
Hey little girl, what are you doing?
Asks Uncle Lee, who is a park ranger at Yishun Park.
I am just bringing home this leaf, caterpillar, snail, and grasshopper. I like to collect things.
I see. Do you know that when you pluck a leaf, it can no longer grow? Do you know that when you bring home these creepy crawlies, they are forced to shift into a new environment? You need to know how to look after them. If you don't, they will get very sick and then die. Would you want that to happen?
Hana looks sad and shakes her head.
No, I thought that by bringing them home, I would be showing love to nature. Now I know that it's wrong.
Well, how can you make things right?
For a start, I can return the creepy crawlies back where I found them.
Hana returns back all creepy crawlies where she found them.
Good job! You have done the right thing by taking care of the environment. If you would like, you can join us as a park ranger during the school holidays.
Hana enjoys being a park ranger.
I'm a park ranger, showing love to nature. I'm a park ranger, spreading love to save the earth. Before you litter, take a minute to ponder. Think about nature. Are you saving it or harming it? I am proud to be a park ranger. Every step I take to care for the environment matters. I've done my part. Have you?